Hello guys, good morning from Vienna. Today I have the opportunity to drive a very special sports car, and you can see here this is the Alpine 110, and this is the normal version because this car comes with two more versions, the Alpine 110 GT and the Alpine 110S. This is the version 100 with 250 horsepower. Here you can see the keys. It's a normal, like a credit card key from Renault. And today I will drive the car. So I make a small preparation for you to show you something in the car. This is the front hub. We can open here. Give me 1 minute. Here, yes. You have a small place here to put your backpack or something stuffs when you go for travel. Nothing special, but this is also not the reason to buy this car. So, and now we will go, I let you see the car from far, and now we will go to the back. 110, as you can see, we have one exhaust pipe. The noise is very nice. We're talking here for 1.8 liter turbocharger engine with 250 horsepower, and the car weighs only 1,100 kilos. So you can open this. You have also a small place back there. It's nothing special. This is from Alpine, as you can see. And now the difficult part is to see in the engine, and I make a small preparation for you. We have here, did you see this? This here, you have 3 screws. One is here. You put it so. Second is here. And the third is also here. You put it down, and now you can as you can see, you can do this. And here in the engine you see the Alpine badge here, and you can also put this down, but I don't want to do this. I want only to show you small things. And now I will drive the car for you and for me, of course, because this is the reason of my channel, to make reviews and to drive nice cars. Okay, and now let's drive the car. I am here also with the owner. Hello, Karzan.
Hello.
So let's drive the car. I want to show you something about the interior. You don't have so many places here, but I mentioned when I was outside that this car is all about driving. You have rear wheel drive. You must be careful because now we have only 5 degrees here in Vienna. This is the only weekend on the April that we have bad weather, but okay, we must drive this car. This is a very nice opportunity. Look here, very nice materials. Everything is lightweight here in this about this car. You can take a look here. The seats are adjustable only. You can go forwards or backwards. You cannot adjust. You must take a screwdriver and screw this if you want to adjust down. And so what we have here in the middle, we have a small place here. Navigation. Here is the traction control off. Here, I think this is for economy when you are in the lights, hazard lights. Okay. And I mentioned this is, you can put also this the keys or your phone, and you have also a small compartment here, place. And this is also very nice. What I see before and I say, okay, I like this. So and now let's try it. Put this. So you have here 3 knobs: drive, neutral and reverse. Put the drive, engage the handbrake, electronic, and then we have here this this knob, and you can adjust. Now is in sport, you can hear it also, and the engine it becomes more noisier. And here is the normal. We will start with the normal, and then let's see. So as you can see now here, we have the normal, like a digital for the RPMs, and also in numbers. So now I will put it to the sport mode, and everything changes here, and also the noise. You can hear also some pops and bangs from the exhaust. Oh, the car drives really very nice, because this is a very light car, and you can feel this in the corners. But like I mentioned, we have a very bad weather now. We have only 5 degrees, and it's not so good for driving fast on the corners, but I will try. Accelerates very good. Traction control, hazard lights, nice feeling. You can push it only on the down, not up, only down. Lock for the doors. Now this is here, okay. Perfect. start and stop, active and not active. Okay.